Hi friends, welcome to my channel. A for apple. B for banana. C for A B C. So let's go. Today let's learn how to draw alphabet. Let's start with marker. Now I am drawing letter A. A for apple. Now I am drawing letter A. Now I am drawing letter B. B for ball. B for banana. B for bike. Now I am drawing letter C. C for cat. C for car. C for cat. C for car. Now I am drawing apple. A is for apple. A is for apple. I am drawing a apple now. Now I am drawing banana. B is for banana. B is for banana. I am drawing a banana now. B is for banana. Please subscribe and watch the full video, kids.